Hello, I'm so glad you're here. Before your day begins, there's something I'd love to remind you of. You have no idea how many beautiful moments this day may be quietly holding for you. Not because life is perfect, not because every day is easy, but because some of life's most meaningful moments arrive when we least expect them. A conversation you'll remember long after today. A smile that changes your mood. A quiet moment when everything feels lighter. An opportunity you never expected. Sometimes we wake up expecting just another ordinary day. But life has a beautiful way of reminding us that ordinary mornings often become extraordinary memories. So, before you hurry into this new day, take one slow breath and allow yourself to wonder, what if today surprises you in the best possible way? What if today brings exactly the encouragement you need? What if today quietly becomes the beginning of something beautiful? This morning is completely new. No one has ever lived this day before. Its conversations, its opportunities, its little joys have never existed until now. And that's what makes today so special. Take another slow breath. Feel yourself arriving in this moment. Feel the quiet promise of a brand new beginning. This day doesn't need to be perfect to be meaningful. Sometimes happiness arrives quietly, in sunlight dancing across the floor, in the smell of fresh coffee, in birds singing outside your window, in laughter shared with someone you love, in a message that arrives just when you need it. Don't rush past those moments. They are often life's greatest gifts. And perhaps today begins with one simple choice. The choice to welcome this moment. If these words resonate with you, let them become your own. Today is a gift, quietly given, gently received. I give thanks for this new day. I choose peace over pressure. I choose gratitude over worry. I notice beauty in ordinary moments. My heart is open to hope. My mind is calm and clear. I welcome new opportunities. I move through this day with patience. I choose joy even in the smallest moments. I welcome this new beginning with a grateful smile. I trust that every step is leading me where I'm meant to be. Take another gentle breath. Imagine the morning light gently filling your heart. Imagine yourself walking into this day, feeling calm, grounded, and quietly confident. Not because you know exactly what will happen, but because you trust that you are held and that you'll meet whatever comes with grace. Remember, you don't have to rush through today. Notice the little things, the colors of the morning sky, the warmth of the sun on your face, the sound of laughter, the comfort of a familiar voice, the quiet moments in between. Life is made of these small moments, and so often they become the ones we remember forever. As you move through this day, be fully present. Smile a little more. Breathe a little deeper. Listen more closely. Love more freely. Give yourself permission to rest whenever you need to. Celebrate every small victory. And don't forget to thank yourself for how far you've already come. There is still so much beauty ahead of you, so much laughter waiting to be shared, so many places you've yet to discover, so many memories still waiting to be created. One ordinary morning can quietly become the beginning of an extraordinary chapter. You just don't know it yet. So walk into this day with curiosity. Walk into it with hope. Walk into it believing that something beautiful may be waiting just around the corner. Thank you for spending these quiet moments here. I hope you notice something beautiful today. I hope you find a reason to smile. And I hope you remember that even the smallest moments can become the memories we treasure most. If these quiet moments gave you even a little peace today, know that this space will always be here for you. Come back whenever you need a moment to breathe, a moment to remember who you are. Take this peace with you. Take this hope with you. Carry gratitude in your heart. And remember, you are here. And that's enough.